In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a time off request in BambooHR. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the request in your BambooHR inbox and cancel it by denying it so the time off won't be processed. First, open your browser and go to your company's BambooHR site. If you're prompted, sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're on the BambooHR home screen, give the page a moment to fully load so all the navigation elements appear. This ensures everything in the top bar is visible and clickable. Keep in mind that your access and what you see may vary based on your role. If you're the requester canceling your own pending time off, you can stop it here before it's approved. If you're an approver or manager, denying the request will prevent it from moving forward for that employee. Next, look to the top right of the screen and click Inbox. The inbox is where BambooHR collects action items that need attention, such as approvals, acknowledgments, and time off requests. If your window is small, you might see the inbox represented by an icon. Hovering over it should reveal the label. Clicking Inbox opens a panel or page listing items in order of priority, so you can quickly find what needs action. From the items in your inbox, locate the time off request you want to cancel and click it to open the details. You'll typically see the employee's name if you're an approver, the time off type, date, and any notes attached to the request. Take a moment to review the details to confirm you've selected the correct request. Double-check the dates in the time off category, like vacation or sick time, so you don't cancel the wrong entry by mistake. With the request open, select it and click Deny. Denying the request cancels it immediately and prevents it from being approved. In many accounts, you'll have the option to add a brief note. It's a good idea to include a clear reason, such as schedule changes or an error in the dates. Some organizations require a reason, so keep it concise and professional. After you click Deny, BambooHR will record the action and, depending on your settings, may notify the requester automatically. Remember, once denied, the original request won't be processed. If needed, a new request can be submitted later with the correct details. That's it. You've successfully canceled a time off request in BambooHR by denying it from the inbox. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.